Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on cube and cuboids. The question says, a cube is painted on all sides. It is then cut into 64 cubes of equal size. How many of these smaller cubes are painted on the one side only? To understand this question, we must first interpret the line which says there are 64 cubes formed of equal size. When we say there are 64 cubes formed, we need to understand that it is going to be a 4 cross 4 cross 4 structure. That means 4 cubes on every edge. And since it's a symmetrical structure, a cube is always a symmetrical structure, it is going to be a 4 cross 4 cross 4 structure. Now because it was painted on all the sides, there would be some of the cubes which will be painted on two faces, some of them will be painted on three faces, and some of them will be painted on a single face. In fact, the inner core of the cubical structure will be not painted at all. So let us figure out how many cubes have paint on one side only. That is what the question is asking us. So as we can see in the diagram, a 4 cross 4 structure will have 4 cross 4 structure will have 16 cubes on a face. As we can see, if I count these red cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we can see there are 16 cubes which have red color on the faces. Now since we have to find out the cubes having only one side painted, if I look at the cubes on the edges, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, these cubes have either two face painted or three face painted. The same is the case with the cubes on the other edge as well. So all the four edges of this particular face will have either two or three faces painted. But the center cubes, which are 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are exposed to the paint only from one side, and therefore they are painted on only one of the faces. So if I look at one of the face, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes having one face painted. And this is for one particular face. There are 6 such faces in a cube, and therefore if I do a total, every face has 4 such cubes and there are 6 such faces. So a total of 24 cubes will have only one side painted, and therefore answer to this question becomes 24 cubes. I hope this is clear to all. Thank you.